dear, hang on. Dad! I can't believe I stayed on there.
Well, hello everyone. Today's ride is going to be from Rivington to Entwistle Reservoir. Of course, the route was completely abandoned and the forecast completely lied and it pissed down all morning. So we've waited in the Go Ape car park for like half an hour.
I'm soaked already, Dan.
And eventually the sun has come out, but the ground is still sodden.
It's somewhere around here. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Trying a different way to get up to Rivington today, and unfortunately it didn't go very well.
Oh my god! Push it up this little bit. My god, this is difficult. But you know what, we've got to be brave. Look at that. Get worse and worse. Okay, that was a dead end. Oh my god, where am I now? What are we doing? Can't argue with that. I don't know where Dan's gone. Oh Jesus, wet rocks. So slippy, it's terrifying. I mean, it's treacherous, but it's absolutely beautiful as well. Finally, we're out of that bit of open air. There's the football ground there. Is that Blackburn or Burnley? Yeah, that's it. It's Bolton ground. Back into the darkness. Trying to remember a way here. These trails are just beautiful. I'm very atmospheric. Oh dear, hang on.
These paths are the leftovers of Lord Lever's Terrace Gardens. Gives you a real Lord of the Rings vibe. There's even a full castle across the other side of the road.
Very challenging. Oh my goodness. I think it's that way to the right. On the map this goes where I want it to. God, this is absolutely beautiful. Just look at it. What a goddamn magical little place. I think Dan's having problems with his motor switching off. Over there is Liverpool Docks. I know you can't see it, but that's Manchester there, just below the far hills. Dan's taking loads of pics, which he should. There's a platform here with the wires that go all the way to the top to pull it off. Unfortunately, it's been closed off while they do this.
We'll have to ride right around the fence.
He's having to proper off-road it here. I hope Dan's seen which way I've gone. Right, this is the way. Have I lost Dan? He carried on following the footpath. And I think over there is Ramsbottom, no less. I think that's the Belmont Lake, isn't it, with its yachting club on it. That's Darwin Tower over there, where we went last time.
You make one mistake in these ruts and you're on your arse. Okay, a few miles of road work on our way to Entwistle Reservoir.
Oh dear, it's a big one. Jesus, that's steep. Thank you. Entwistle Reservoir.
Calling in for a quick one at the Strawburry Duck.
Here we go. The Strawberry Duck, is it open though? We don't know. Hello there. I can smell food. We've decided to go the cheeky way because it's so beautiful. I mean, just look at that. How cool is that? What an absolutely awesome forest. This is goddamn magical, this. You'll be fine, Dan, it's easy. Oh wow, how amazing is that? Beautiful. It just gets better and better.
I'm not really sure what kind of track this is, but there are no cycling signs. It goes up over the high moor and then joins Weaver's Way, but it is soaking wet.
Jeez. There's a deer. See him running across. Where the hell are we? Have I made a wrong turn? There's an actual chute built all the way along there for the water. Have you got any rubbish on you we can throw in? I'm hoping they've recovered this. It was a real mud pit. Let's see what it's going to be like. Oh jeez, it's so slippy. Oh, we're good, we're good. Oh, that was a big hole. I think I'll stay here. Oh. Bloody hell, that's what you call washed out. It's been a long time coming. I'm just going to walk back and see if I can see him. Haha, there's our hero. Oh, I might have made a mistake here. I did that for a laugh, didn't I? Let's see what it's like. Oh Jesus. Oh. He was pushed, officer. Well, this is good. We've got a nice bit of pavement. I forgot this was here. Back on it again.
Deviating from the route again. Dan's too knackered to go up over the next hill.
That's the yacht club there. Well, hey, Belmont, we're nearly home-ish.
We can't even be bothered for a quick one in the Black Dog.
I actually tried to get up that little slope there on the left on my old BBS HD. Didn't stand a chance. 4 bars. Josh, that's plenty. Is that bumpy enough for you? The forks are working for me.
Unfortunately, I forgot to bring the other GoPro battery, and it ran out on me quite soon.
Oh, that
then
is
something happened which nearly ended the ride.
Fox 36 suspension, full float.
There was a massive crunch and one of my jockey wheels had fallen off. I managed to walk back and find it, the bolt and the bearings. Anyway, the GoPro ran out now, so thanks for watching. See you next week.
What about using 3? So
I'm thinking if I do that like that, that'll hold it in the right position.